Hello everyone and welcome back to Auto Care Secret, where we make car care simple, fun, and stress-free. Have you ever seen that dreaded electronic parking brake light flashing on your dashboard? Maybe your car's beeping at you, or worse, it just won't release. Don't panic. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to reset your electronic parking brake EPB, saving you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. What is an electronic parking brake? An electronic parking brake EPB, also known as an electric parking brake, is a system that uses electric motors to engage and disengage the parking brake. It replaces the traditional mechanical lever or pedal with a simple button. Electronic parking brakes are super convenient ... until they stop working. Maybe you just replaced your brake pads, your battery died, or, let's be real, your car just decided to be difficult today. Whatever the reason, resetting it is often easier than you think. Let's get into the easy, step-by-step guide. Step 1. Safety first. Before we dive in, let's do a quick safety check. Make sure your car is on a flat surface, the engine is running or in accessory mode, and your foot is firmly on the regular brake pedal. We don't want any rolling surprises. Step 2. The basic reset. Most cars just need a simple reset sequence. Here's how it works. Press and hold the parking brake button down for about 5 to 10 seconds. Then pull it up and hold for another 5 to 10 seconds. Listen for a click or watch for the light to blink. That means it's resetting. Boom. Did that work? If not, no worries. Let's try the advanced method. Step 3. The full system reset. The secret handshake. If your parking brake is still being stubborn, we might need to reset the whole system. Here's what to do. Turn the ignition on, but do not start the engine. Press the parking brake button down for 3 seconds, release. Then immediately pull it up for 3 seconds, release. Repeat this 3 to 4 times until you hear a confirmation beep or see the light flash. Think of it like a secret handshake with your car. Sometimes it just needs a little extra love. There you go. Resetting your electronic parking brake isn't as scary as it seems. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Auto Care Secret for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this.